What is Wikidata Query Service?
It is a free web service that lets you run SPARQL queries against Wikidata, a knowledge base operated by the Wikimedia Foundation containing over 100 million structured items about people, places, works, and events.
Who is the typical user?
Anyone from researchers to general users. It is especially useful in digital humanities for cross-dataset searches that combine multiple conditions, for example, all Japanese-born Nobel Prize laureates, or 17th-century European books that have been digitized.
How does a basic SPARQL query look?
The core structure is select listing the variables you want, followed by where with triple patterns. Each triple asserts that a subject has a property with a value. For example, WDT. 31 WD Q5 means instance of human, and WDT. 27 WD Q17 means citizenship Japan.
What does the service Wikibase label line do?
It automatically fetches human-readable labels for items in your preferred language. Without it, results show only item IDs like Q35637, which are not self-explanatory.
Can results be visualized beyond a plain table?
Yes. The service supports multiple display formats, a standard table, a map for data containing coordinate properties, a timeline for temporal data, bubble charts and bar charts for numerical comparisons, a tree map for hierarchical data, and an image grid for items that have image URLs.
Is switching between these views easy?
Yes. After running a query, you select the display format from tabs in the results area without modifying the query itself.
What kinds of questions can DH researchers answer with this tool?
A wide range. You can map the birthplaces of ukiyo-e artists, analyze the chronological distribution of works in a museum collection, trace publication patterns by place and year, or compare how concepts are expressed across languages using multilingual label data.
Can the data be taken into other tools?
Yes. Results can be downloaded as CSV, JSON, or TSV. From there they can be imported into tools like Palladio or Timeline.js, or accessed programmatically via HTTP requests to the SPARQL endpoint from Python or R.
Are there common pitfalls to be aware of?
Queries have a 60-second time limit, so using a limit clause is important for large datasets. The optional keyword lets you include items even when certain properties are absent. For getting the service Wikibase label line will return only item IDs in results.
How should someone who is new to SPARQL get started?
The service provides many example queries accessible from the left panel. Starting with those examples and gradually modifying them is the recommended approach to building SPARQL proficiency without needing to write queries from scratch.